Hi all, good evening. Sorry, we are late by 10 minutes. So, in today live show, we are going to see some softy pattu sarees. Already we have seen the similar kind of sarees in the previous videos as well. So, in these sarees, everybody is asking for the Diwali sale and all. So this is the saree design. You will be having the self peacock zari weaving on the saree. So you can have a clear view for the first saree. In this we have different colors of sarees. So the original price of these sarees, all these are new catalog. First time I'm doing the live with these sarees. So the original price for this saree is 2350, but we are giving 10% off on this new collection also on account of Diwali. So the price will be 2150 free shipping. So this is saree number 1 in bright lemon yellow with the sky blue color combination. So this is the border you will be having with the elephant border. On the back side also you can see there is no thread coming out. So similar kind of sarees already we have done before as well. So this is the blouse. Blouse also you will be having the self designed zari with the waves and the flower booty design. So this is the blouse. So the original price for this saree is 2350. So on 10% off on this new collection, so you will be getting it 2150 free shipping. So this is lemon yellow with the blue color combination, and this is the pallu. Pallu also you will be getting it in the elephant and the floral design. So this is a beautiful pallu. In the blue color you will be getting the pallu. So this is the hit combination. In this we have 3 to 4 pieces. This is saree number 1 in lemon yellow in the blue color combination. On 10% off, this is for 2150 free shipping. Ivi kaadu. Blue ivu. First design ayiponi madhyo ivavi. So this is saree number 2 in dark blue with the magenta pink color combination. So this is the border, magenta pink color border, and this is the body of the saree in the blue color with the peacock design you can see. So this is single piece saree. We have only single piece in this saree. So this is in dark sky blue with the magenta pink color combination. So you can see the beautiful design, magenta pink color with the full zari weaving. You can see the elephants on this better because it is a dark color. So all over the body you will be having the peacock design. On one side you will be having the small border, on the other side you will be having the rich border with the elephants. So the blouse also you will be having a designer blouse with the waves and the floral design. So this is the blouse and this is the saree. This is single piece saree. The price is 2150 after 10% off with free shipping. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu. This is saree number 2. Next. Only singles, huh? Okay. So this is also a single piece saree. Nice parrot green with the pink color combination. So all the sarees you will be having a similar kind of design. So this is the body of the saree and this is the border. So on the body for all the sarees you will be getting the peacock design. On the border you will be getting the elephant design. So this is parrot green with the pink color combination. This is also a single piece saree. We have only single piece, and these are very lightweight and soft pattu sarees. These are also like Kubera pattu sarees. Okay, the price is 2150 after 10% off. This is the pallu. You will be getting the beautiful elephant design pallu you will be getting for this. Parrot green with the pink color combination. The price is 2150. Blouse you will be getting it in the contrast in the same waves design like how we have seen. Parrot green with the pink color combination. The price is 2150. Next is in the mustard yellow with the pink color combination, a beautiful color combination. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is also a single piece saree. So this is in the mustard yellow with the pink color combination. On the body of the saree you will be having a complete peacock design. This is the pallu. This is the So this is the pallu you will be having. Emaindi ఓ అసలు నేను కిందనే చూడలేదే. So this is how it looks, mustard yellow with the pink color combination. The blouse is also in the bright pink color combination. So this is the blouse. So this is the blouse with the sari, yellow with the pink color combination. Price is 2150. Next. Next is in the neon green color combination with beautiful dark navy blue color. Neon green with the dark navy blue color with the elephant and peacock design. Multiples. So this is a very beautiful color combination and also very bright and a fancy color combination. So this is in the dark neon green with the dark navy blue color combination. So this is how it looks. It is single piece. Huh? So this is also single piece. So the blouse will be in the contrast, very beautiful blue color. So this is the blouse and this is the sari. Okay, the pallu also you will be getting in nice zari weaving with the elephant design. Okay, this is how it looks. Neon green with the dark navy blue color combination. The price is 2150 after 10% off. So this is the pallu. Pallu is in the nice elephant design. Okay, next. Single. So this is in emerald green with the red color combination. This is a single piece. So in greens we have some color variation. So this is in emerald green with the red color combination. So this is a shiny emerald green. You can see you have that gold tinge shiny thing on the body of the sari. This is a very beautiful one. So this is also a single piece only. Okay, this is how it looks. Emerald green with the shiny gold with the red color combination. The blouse is also in the red color combination. Nice shiny red color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 2150. So this is in the shiny emerald green with the red color combination. This is the pallu. Okay, next. This is a single piece. Orange. Next one, orange with blue color combination. Okay. This is the super cool orange color, gold spot orange with the dark navy blue color combination. So this is the pallu. This is a beautiful pallu you will be getting. So this is the blouse. Blouse is in the dark navy patko. Blouse is in the dark navy blue color combination. So this is how it looks. Okay. This is how it looks. Dark navy blue. So these things will have a shiny finish on the saris. Wait, bright orange with the dark shiny navy blue color combination. These will have that shiny golden tinge on the saris. That will look really, make it look really party wear kind. So the price is 2150. This is also single piece. Next. Inkoka shade green lo. So emerald green we saw, right? So this is in. So this is also the same in the little lighter shade. Light emerald green. You can say patko. So you can see, so this is how the sari looks. Okay, on the sari you will be having this peacock design all over the sari. Maybe if you are not able to see, I am just showing you. So this is how the sari looks. All the saris looks the same. You will be having this golden shine on the sari. So this is how it looks. This is in the light emerald green with the red color combination. So this is the blouse patko. So green with red color combination is always a hot cake. So this is how it looks. Pallu is also in the red color. The price is 2150. Okay, this is how it looks. So nice big border you will be getting on the saree, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. This is also a single piece. Green and red you have in different shades, almost like all are single pieces. So this is in the beautiful pink with the yellow color combination. This is pink with yellow color combination. So this is pink with yellow. So this is pink with the yellow color combination. So this is how it looks. Nice beautiful pink all over the saree, peacocks, and in the border you will be getting the elephant design, the petal. So this is the blouse. Blouse also you will be getting the self zari weaving. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 2150. Beautiful pink with the yellow color combination. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message us. This is also a single piece, and this is a very beautiful saree. This is also a single piece in dark ink blue with the yellow color combination. You can see the blue with the yellow color combination. Here also on the border you will be getting the elephant design. Koncham pattu just చూపిద్దాం అంటే ఇట్లా చూపిస్తే మంచి కనిపిస్తుంది పీకాక్. So this is how the saree looks, ink blue with the yellow color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. This is a very beautiful color combination. This also we have only single piece. The price is 2150. So this is how it looks. On the blouse also you will be having the self design, wavy design all over. Okay, this is how it looks. Beautiful ink blue or this purple blue with the yellow color combination. This is how it looks. These are all very beautiful, lightweight and easy to carry sarees, softy pattu sarees. And the pallu also you will be having it in the self design, yellow color with the elephant design. You will be having the self zari weaving. Okay, the price is 2150. This purple blue with the yellow color combination. Next, adi single piece color. So this is another shade of blue. This is another shade in green. In green I have shown 3 shades. ఎంతమంది జాయిన్ అని వస్తుంది, బట్ people got 6 to join. ఎంతమంది జాయిన్ అని వస్తుంది. Okay, so this is another shade of green. So this is another shade of green. Just when you book, you can see the perfect shade and book. There is only just like 5 to 10% variation in the green shades that I have shown. I have shown total of 3 green shades. This is in the golden shiny. So this is in the green with the red color combination. Blouse daggaraga chupinchu. So that's the blouse design. You will be getting the self weaving waves design and also the floral checks. So this is the blouse, green with the red color combination. The price is 2150. Okay, this is how it looks. This is green with red. Next, singles అయిపోయినాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడు గ్రీన్, బ్లూ ఇవ్వు, బ్లూ. So the next is a nice blue color with pink color combination. This is a dark ice blue with the pink color combination. This is dark ice blue color with the pink color combination. So full peacock design you will be getting. On the border you will be getting the elephant design. Okay, this is how it look. Dark ice blue with the pink color combination. This is a beautiful English color combination, kind of fancy color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the pallu. You will be having here in the elephant design. So this is in the dark. This is in the dark ice blue with the pink color combination. The price is 2150 on sale. Okay, you'll be having this shiny tinge all over the saree. Next, green wood. So this is in a very beautiful radium parrot green with the pink color combination. So this is in the beautiful radium pink with the green color combination, green and pink color combination. Very classic and traditional color combination this is, and also a very bright color as well. We have picked almost all the bright colors. So this is the blouse. So the blouse design is same for all. You will be getting the waves and the floral design like this. Okay, this is in the bright parrot green with the pink color combination, and this is the pallu. Okay, the price is 2150 after 10% off. Next is in beautiful red color, nice deep red with the green color combination, parrot green color combination. So this is deep red with the parrot green color combination. So this is how it looks. So all over design you'll be having the peacock design. Come, join. So okay, this is in the deep red with light parrot green color combination. This is how it looks. The blouse you will be getting it in the green color. So a perfect complete contrast color combination. So this is how it looks. Red with the green color combination. The price is 2150. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice red color with the green color combination. The price is 2150. It is singular. Okay. So this is like in the bottle green with the red color combination. It's a very beautiful piece. Before we have seen emerald green with the red. So this is in the bottle green with the red color combination. A very, very beautiful piece. So this is in the bottle green with the red color combination. You can see nice bottle, shiny bottle green with the gold tinge all over. That golden shine we will be having all over the saree. So a very beautiful piece, bottle green with the red color combination. This also I have only 2 pieces. So bottle green most of the people asked in my previous videos. So the blouse is also in the red color that contrasts with the border of the saree, and this is the pallu, red color pallu you will be getting. So this is how it looks, bottle green with the red color combination. The price is 2150. This is how it looks. Next. So this is a unique color combination. This is in the sky blue with the brown color border you have got. We have seen pink previously, so this is a kind of new color combination. New color combination. This is in the sky blue with the brown color border you have got. Okay, so this is how it looks. Sky blue with the brown color, rare color combination, and a new one. Who if anybody wants to try a new color combination, they can. So the blouse also, it comes in the brown color with the golden work. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is how it looks, sky blue with the brown color combination. A very beautiful piece. This also we have only 2 pieces. So this is in the sky blue with the brown color combination. So the brown with the gold color, it really goes well, and it is new as well. The price is 2150. Next. So a must color combination that you have in the pattu sarees. So this is in the pink with the violet blue color combination border. So this Rani pink with violet blue color combination border. I definitely must have color combination in the Pattu sarees catalog. So this is how it looks. Pink with the violet blue color combination. So this is how it looks. The blouse you will be getting it in the violet blue color combination. The price is 2150. Okay, this is how it looks. Blue with the pink color combination. Okay, pink with the blue. Pink with the violet blue color combination. So this is the border of the saree, and this is the pallu. A very beautiful one. Don't miss this sale if anybody wants to buy these sarees. Only for this Diwali sale I'm giving this 10% off. Enjoy by sorry. 5-4 okay, 25 minutes out something. So this is in the neon green with the dark navy blue color combination. So this is also a fancy color combination, unlike this traditional color combination. So this is a fancy color combination you have got. So this is in the neon green with golden work with the dark navy blue color border. So this is how it looks. So the blouse also you'll be getting it in the dark navy blue color combination. For medium skin tone people it really looks bright. I am also a medium skin tone. So this is how it looks. Really a very beautiful and a bright color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. The pallu also looks very good and evident. So this is how it looks. Okay. Okay. Can you hear me? Ostunda, mommy? త్వరగా ఫినిష్ నా మొబైల్ డేటా పెట్టాను ఏమైనా కాల్ చేస్తే ఫుల్లీ గాన్. దిస్ ఇస్ మెజెంటా పింక్ కలర్ విత్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ బార్డర్ అండ్ సారీ ఫర్ ద ఇంటరప్షన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ మెజెంటా పింక్. This is magenta pink with the green color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. The shiny magenta pink with the green color combination. So this is how it looks. Okay, video clear ga unda ledo oksaరి chodva. Clear ga unda. This is magenta pink with the green color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Pallu is in the green color and this is how it looks. Blouse. So the blouse is also in this emerald green color. So this is also a new color combination, magenta pink with the emerald green color combination. The price is 2150. Next fast. So this we have already seen. I am just including in this catalog. So this is blue with the yellow color combination. Small flower butta you will be getting on the body. And on the border you will be getting the flower design. So this is also on this Diwali sale. Blue with the yellow color combination. Nice sky blue with the lemon yellow color combination you will be getting. So this is how it looks. So yellow color brocade blouse you will be getting. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is so this is how it looks. Blue with the yellow color combination. Best. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting the mango design with the tassels. The price is 2150. Blouse petta already. So this is the blouse. Next. So this is the peacock color combination. Peacock green with the blue color. Peacock blue color combination. And this is also, this has the shiny tinge all over the saree. You already path video చూపించుకున్నావే. So this is how it looks, a very very beautiful color combination. This is in the peacock color combination. I say peacock green with the peacock blue color combination. So this is how it looks. Blouse bit. The blouse is in the brocade butta. This is in the peacock blue and peacock green color combination, and this is the pallu. This is also for 2150. This is the pallu, mango design pallu you will be getting. So this is how it looks. The price is 2150. Next, so this is in the jamun blue color. This is not black. This is in the dark navy blue. This is in the like jamun ante nered pandu color. So so it's in the wow. So this is in the jamun blue color. So it is like black look-alike saree, but it is not black color. So this is how it looks with the red color combination. Very beautiful color combination. This is also dark color who are very fair. It looks very good on them. So this is in the red color brocade blouse you will be getting. So this is how it looks. So this is the butta on the saree, flower butta, and the border you will be getting like this for these sarees. Pallu is in the mango design. The price is 2150. Okay, this is how it looks. Next, this is in the neon green with the pink color combination. This is the flower butta aipoyinga. So this is the last saree. So this is also a single piece, neon green with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Last bit. So the blouse is in the pink color brocade blouse you will be getting. So this is also on 10% off sale. Okay, this is how it looks. This is also for 2150, and this is the pallu, mango pallu you will be getting. So whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message us. Sorry, I was in little hurry, and sorry for that inconvenience. Any questions you can ask me. So all these are new collection sarees only, but as it is Diwali, I just wanted to give it on some promotional sale, so that 10% off for all these sarees. The original price of all these sarees is 2350. On this sale you will be getting 10% off, which is for 2150 free shipping. Any questions you can just shoot, just for quick 2 minutes. And also we'll be having some sales also. Sale videos will be coming up. And just one note, I'll be uploading one story every day. Today's deal till Diwali. So on today's deal you might get anything which is on off only for that particular day, which is valid for 24 hours till the story exists. So please do follow the stories every day for the everyday's deal that you will be getting on different range of products which will be on sale. So any questions? No questions? Okay, I'll be posting this video on IGTV. Whoever wants to shop and who have missed this video or joined in middle, they can watch the IGTV video and you can book. Thank you so much for joining, people who have joined, and happy weekend.